So we are going to do this one. So the first thing you are going to do is you check the coefficient of x squared. Now, after checking the coefficient of x, we realize that make sure that the coefficient of x squared is 1. Now, this one is 5. So what we are going to do is, because we want it to be 1, we divide 2 by 5. So we are going to get x squared minus 7 all over 5 plus y is equal to 0. The next thing we do is we can pick this one, y, the one without the x to this side. So we are going to get x squared minus 7 over 5 is equal to negative 1. Now when we get this, the next thing we are going to do is we are going to divide this one by 5. We are going to divide this by 2. The coefficient of x by 2. Then we add both sides. We add to both sides. We are going to get x squared minus 7 all over 5 x. That's why we get, or we divide 2 by this thing, negative 7 all over 10 squared. So I'm going to get this one. So this will be plus negative 7 all over 10 squared is equal to negative 1 plus negative. So I'm going to get negative 7 all over 10. I'm going to add to both sides. You get it? Sorry, we divided 2 by 5, so here will be 5. Here is supposed to have 5. So we have this. So when we get here, then we are going to do the completing of the squares. So you bear with me that this minus this, the whole of this squared, will give you the whole of this. So we are going to get x minus 7 all over 10 squared is equal to negative 1 all over 5 plus this will give us positive 49. What do you call it? Positive 49
29
all over 100. So that is it. So from there, then we are going to get, when we add this, what are you getting? And add this, what are you getting? So you are going to get x minus 7 all over is equal to, when you add this to, you are going to get 29 all over 10. So you are going to get root 29
29 100.
29 all over 100, sorry. Now we want to, because here was square, we won't take away the square, so we come and root this one. So they are going to get x minus.
So
He said
it's going to be rather x minus 7 all over 10.
10, sorry. 10 is equal to root 29 all over So you bring this one here. So we are going to get s equal to plus or minus when this one comes, we become positive. So 29 over. When you get it, you can use your calculator. So you either add or you subtract. So x, the first x, maybe x1 will be equal to 7/10 plus root that's it. Then the second x will be equal to 7/10 minus root 29/10. You can use your calculator. You can find on your calculator, and that will give you answer. So that is it. So that's how it works. When you point on a calculator and get it, you can get it in decimals. So you write the decimal answer. You get it. So that is it. So for the sake of Michelle, we won't do the next topic. You end here so that she can have enough time and go through the letter we've done. Next Wednesday we are doing the next part, which we call using the formula. I think by then her network will be okay. Then we can all benefit. So that is it. Let me give you one question. Do it and send it to me. Do the question and send it to me. Using completing the squares, solve correct to 2 decimal place the equation. Correct to 2 decimal place the equation. So that means you get your answers in decimal. 3y squared minus 5y plus 2 is equal to 0. Do this one for me, yeah, and send it to me.
Please repeat the question.
Using completing the square method, solve correct to 2 decimal place the equation 3y squared minus 5y plus 2 is equal to 0.
Okay.
Good.
Thank you.
When you're done writing, you tell me.
I'm done.
Good. So tomorrow, you said this in the same time, so 11:30. Good.
Okay.
Remind mommy of the balance,